Okay, this is the model we are going to create using the SolidWorks. All of dimensions given in millimeters. Okay, let's see how to create this model using the SolidWorks. The file, the new part drawing. So initially I'm going to select the plane, the top plane, to draw this base, the 75. Yeah. The top plane, they make it normal. The sketch, choose center rectangle, 75. In this dimension, 82 plus. Okay. So then feature extrude. Extrude thickness is equal to 25. Okay, then choose this face, so make it normal to the view. The sketch, choose center line, vertical center line, the infinite length. Sorry, center line. Then we have two circles. The diameters are given 25. Sorry, diameter is equal to 50. Then this dimension is given from the bottom, no? Sorry. Then go to line, tangent lines. To select this line and the circle, they make tangent. Mirror entities, the one we are going to mirror about this axis. This whole diameter is not given. Yeah, whole diameter is not given. Take the diameter as the 25. Now it's okay. Then go to trim entities. Wait. Now we have a fully defined sketch. Then this line also we have to draw. Okay, then we are going to extrude this one. The feature extrude. The dimension is equal to 22. Okay, then we are going to mirror this created feature around the right plane. Then the mirror features to mirror, this is the one we are going to mirror. Select this bottom face to make it normal to the view. Sketch, choose the circle. The circle diameter is equal to 75. Yeah. Then the feature extrude. Extrude length is equal to 30. Then again select this face, then they make it normal. Sketch, circle, 40 diameter. The dimension is equal to 40. Then go to features, extrude cut through all. Okay, this is how we are creating this model using the SolidWorks.